G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be doing a little bit of wiring. So I am going to try and get the rest of this wired up, which is going to really suck, and you're not going to be able to see it all. Oh god, look at this. Yeah, gotta love it. Ingham chicken love it. Right, first thing I want to do is root around with my fuel gauge, because I did for some yeah, so what happens is if you turn the ignition on, the fuel gauge goes on, it works, and then you start the car and it goes to zero. I have no idea why, but we're gonna have a look and see if we can figure it out. Now, what are we doing here? What a fucking clusterfuck. Yeah. Very uncomfortable doing this here too, like this. Oh, bugger it. I got the shits. I just fucking pulled the bastard right out again. Even though I had like 90% of it working. The 10% that wasn't working was pissing me off, and I could not fucking work out because of such a damn mess. So I'm going to take this upstairs and I'm basically going to fucking braid a whole shitload of this together. All the fucking reds can all go together, all the yellows can go together, all the whites can go together, and then that leaves us our signal wires, which are all blue. There. And yeah, so anyway, I'll give it a go. Let's see, because it's just ridiculous. That's crazy. Can't do it. All right, I'll be back.
That sounds like a shit saxophone setting. That's such a shit sound. Wow. That sucks. What a shit sax. 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 That sucks. What a shit sax.
Okay, so this is looking a lot better now. What we've got here is, let's start from the scratch, shall we? So we've got all our positives together, we've got all our negatives together, we've got all our control wires together, we've got our backlights all put together, and these are our sensor wires that go to whichever the fragment is on my car. We got high beam and left and right blinker. Done. Isn't that a hell of a lot better than what it was? Because yeah, that was friggin' shite before. So alright, I'm going to continue on. I wasn't going to put plugs on them, but I think I will actually. I'll just put a plug on each one. Bang, 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 bang. And yeah, done. Alright, back in a bit. Okay, well, I think that's done. We've just put our little connection on there. That is so much better than what it was before. I had it like it was before because I'd had no idea what wire was what and all that kind of shit. So anyway, it's fine, it's sorted now. And there's our senders. High beam, left, right. Done. Okay, let's go plug some of this in and see how we go. It's just finding out which goes for these. Where do these go? Woohoo! Magic. Wiring sends me nuts. Okay, here is our next bit of fun to have. Why don't I put some proper bloody lights on, I think. Horrible, horrible orangey lights though. Yeah, now I've got to try and figure out what colour all these fucking wires are. So just got some sandpaper and give these bastards a hit. Well, this is fun. I need to run this. So I've managed to figure out the lights. I've got the power on the right circuit now, or I've figured out the right circuit for it, and I've got the temperature gauge going, so that leaves the oil gauge and a little bit of other stuffing around. So alright, well that'll do for the day. I am absolutely rooted. Y'all be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao ciao.